Are you drowning in a sea of emails, wishing you could just wipe the slate clean? Today, we're diving into the essential guide on how to delete all emails in Gmail quickly and safely. This will help you reclaim your inbox and digital sanity. First, open your Gmail in a web browser and make sure you're logged in. Look to the upper left of your inbox right above your emails, and you'll see a little square. This is the Select All box. Click it, and notice how it selects all the visible emails on the current page. Now, here's the crucial step. Gmail often only selects the emails on the current page. To delete everything, click the message that appears at the top, which might read Select All conversations in your inbox name or something similar. Doing that selects all of your messages. Now, with all your emails selected, it's time to delete. Click the trash can icon at the top of the screen. A pop-up might appear asking you to confirm your decision. Confirm your action, and watch those messages start to disappear. Finally, to permanently delete them, go to your trash folder in the left sidebar. Click the Empty Trash Now link at the top. Understand that once this done, they are permanently gone. Be 100% that you have backup copies, or consider this process carefully. And that's it. Your Gmail inbox should now be beautifully empty. Use this guide to manage your emails and keep your digital life organized. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. #Gmail cleanup, #email deletion.